Sitting for hours every day on your chair with no movement can cause your body to hurt. Once you do get up from your chair to walk for a couple of minutes, it can feel like a tiring ordeal. While popping a painkiller offers you temporary relief from your body pain and tiredness, overuse may affect your health in the long run. There are a couple of home remedies you could try to soothe the discomfort in your body. In this video, we explore the different causes of body pain and some natural remedies one can try at home. Body aches can be treated with the help of ingredients available right in your kitchen cabinets. Let's take a look at a few natural remedies that can help relieve pain. Apple cider vinegar is touted to have anti-inflammatory properties, which relieve pain and inflammation. You will need 1 tablespoon of apple cider vinegar, 1 glass of warm water, honey. What you have to do: add a tablespoon of apple cider vinegar to a glass of warm water and mix well. Add some honey to it and consume it. You can also add apple cider vinegar to your bathwater and soak in it for added benefits. Do this 1 to 2 times daily. Cold compress. A cold compress helps in reducing body aches by reducing nerve activity in the affected areas temporarily. It has an anesthetizing effect, which provides quick and temporary relief from body pain. You will need an ice pack. Apply an ice pack to the aching areas. Leave it on for 10 minutes and repeat 2 to 3 times. Do this 3 times daily. Ginger. Ginger possesses rich phytochemistry, which gives it many health-promoting benefits. It exhibits powerful anti-inflammatory and analgesic properties. These properties can help in getting rid of body aches. You will need 1 to 2 inches of cut ginger, 1 cup of water, honey. Add an inch or 2 of ginger to a cup of water. Bring this to a boil in the saucepan. Simmer for 5 minutes and strain. Add some honey to it. Consume the tea before it turns cold. Consume ginger tea 2 to 3 times daily. Turmeric. Turmeric is one of the best remedies to treat body aches. It has anti-inflammatory, analgesic, and healing properties that can help fight body aches and boost your overall health and immunity. You will need 1 teaspoon of turmeric powder, 1 glass of hot milk, honey. Add a teaspoon of turmeric powder to a glass of hot milk and stir well. After the milk cools down a bit, add some honey to it. Consume this mixture. Do this at least once daily, preferably before going to bed. Cinnamon. Cinnamon is a spice that is widely used for flavoring various dishes. It has potent anti-inflammatory, analgesic, and healing properties. These properties make it a sought-after remedy for treating body aches and improving overall health. You will need 1 teaspoon of powdered cinnamon, 1 glass of warm water, honey. Add a teaspoon of powdered cinnamon to a glass of warm water. Stir well. Add some honey to this and consume immediately. Drink this mixture once daily. Cayenne pepper. Cayenne pepper contains capsaicin, which helps in blocking the sensations of pain, stimulates blood flow, and also acts as a natural pain reliever for combating body aches. You will need 1 teaspoon of powdered cayenne pepper, 1 cup of warm water, honey. Add a teaspoon of powdered cayenne pepper to a cup of warm water. Mix well and add some honey to it. Consume this mixture. Do this 1 to 2 times every day. Body aches can get tiring in the long run, and you should treat them immediately. The remedies and tips discussed in this post will help you do that. But to avoid the chances of pain recurrence, consult your doctor and make some lifestyle changes.